Hi, my name is Austin Dorman, and I'm a certified funnel builder and ClickFunnels ambassador. And today we're going to talk about the survey multi-select with contact custom attributes feature inside ClickFunnels 2.0. And before we start, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. And also, too, if you haven't already signed up for ClickFunnels, go check out the description section to find out how to sign up for ClickFunnels for your free trial. And also check out the description section for some other really good and helpful resources as well. So right here, we're in the change log, which is basically ClickFunnels' way to communicate any new features or updates to us as users. And so this is the survey multi-select with contact custom attributes. So we're going to go over the change log, and then we're going to hop in to my demo ClickFunnels 2.0 account, and we'll walk through the process. So right here, this is to streamline survey data mapping with multi-select options. We're thrilled to introduce the ability to create multi-select contact custom attributes and map survey responses directly to them. This enhancement offers greater flexibility and precision in managing and utilizing contact data. And then the key features and benefits: customizable multi-select attributes, create contact attributes that allow multiple selections tailored to your specific needs, seamless survey integration, effortlessly map survey responses to these attributes for accurate and actionable data collection, and then enhanced data management, capture richer, more detailed information about your contacts, boosting personalization and segmentation capabilities, and take your contact data organization to the next level with this powerful new feature. So this is going to be really cool and exciting. So what we're going to do is we're going to hop over to my demo ClickFunnels 2.0 account, and we'll just walk through the process. So right now I'm in my demo ClickFunnels 2.0 account, and the first thing that we need to do is we need to set up the custom contact attributes. So we're going to go to workspace settings, and then we're going to go under contact attributes, and then we're going to click add contact attribute. And then we'll put, maybe for this one, we'll just call it marketing topics. Or maybe we'll call it favorite marketing topics. And then we'll call it 2 since I already have one already created. And for the field type, we're going to click select field. And then we're going to enable allow multiple selections. And so down here, this will be the list of custom contact attributes that we want. So maybe we'll have, for this one, we'll do sales funnels, add it. We'll do traffic, and then we'll do content creation. And then we'll click create field. Okay, so we have our custom contact attributes created. So we have sales funnels, traffic, and content creation. And so what we need to do now is we need to go over to the survey workflow app and create a survey and then map it there. And so if we go back, then on the left-hand side, we're going to click on survey workflows. And if you don't already have the app, you'll just want to go click this add apps button and then add this survey workflows app. And then we're going to click, let's actually use this one right here. So I already created one. If you need to create a new one, you'll just click add new survey workflow and then just title it what you want to. But we're going to click on this test multi-select. And then right here, let's actually just delete this question for right now. We're going to click on this plus icon, and then we're going to leave it as choice. And then for the headline, we'll say, what is your favorite marketing topic? And then you can add a description if you want to, but under configuration, we want to allow multiple answers. And then under contact attribute, we're going to select favorite marketing topics 2. And then we'll want to just add the same topics. So we'll say sales funnels or sales funnels, traffic, and then content creation. Should I think it was now I can't remember. Let me just go back to the contact attributes. So we're going to click Save Changes. And then let me just check really quick what we had. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to click Save Changes. And what's going to happen after you build out this survey and someone goes through the survey, you're going to attach the survey workflow to your funnel. And so someone's going to go through it. Ideally, you would have some way for them to input their contact information. But once they get to this question, what is your favorite marketing topic? It'll give them a way to multi-select whether you want sales funnels, traffic, and or content creation. And once they select it, go forward, those their selection will be mapped to the custom contact attributes, which could be found on the contact record. And so that's the survey multi-select with custom contact attributes, just walking through it. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Love to help you out. And like I mentioned, my name is Austin Norman. I'm a certified funnel builder and ClickFunnels ambassador. And thank you for watching this video tutorial.